Hello everyone, it's Sean back here again. Short recap on what we saw on the markets this week. So we've seen a pretty much a huge rally in a lot of the very hit markets. So basically Palantir, Hood, Tesla, these have rallied quite a bit, 20, 30%. And we're seeing the crypto markets recover as well. I am still holding on to my Hood 37 and a half call options for March 28th. I'm just going to buy the shares when they happen, as well as Tesla. But honestly, I think if you are short-term driven, this might be a good time to take profits because we will probably see some more chop going into the future. However, if you are long-term, I will just keep nibbling. Long-term profile, I am buying still. I'm just buying dollar cost averaging because who knows what's going to happen. All I know is things have gotten a little cheaper and it's been overblown and oversold, very much like we've seen in the 2020 pandemic. People were way too bearish. And the thing is, I've learned over time is that you don't need to catch the bottom. You have a lot of time to just catch the short-term trend up or down in the chop. The chop will happen for a few months usually, and it's not like you need to catch the bottom. Just, okay, now you see it recover a little bit and you buy a little bit. It's not that hard. It's a lot more to do with your psychology, as like it's hard to think about why should I buy something that was 20% off a week ago. But that's where a lot of errors come from. Same way as why should I sell something that's 50% down? I'm going to wait for it to come back up. It's not rational, but that's just kind of how people think. Overall, I'm buying long term. Short term, I'm selling just because I'm taking profit on some positions, say Tesla, which went up 20% in a week. It was very overblown. Who knows? It might chop down. I am not married to these, so that's my thought on that. Thank you, everyone.